Bruce, congratulations on the new move. Thanks very much for inviting us up to see the new location. Perhaps you can tell us why did you move in the first place?
Well, post our restructuring of the company in February of 2010, our old building at 43,000 square feet spread across 3 floors just became a little unwieldy for the amount of remaining staff, and we found that it would be more efficient to put everybody together in closer proximity on one floor where the business and daily interaction could be better facilitated. That's what we've accomplished here at our new address on Ferrier. We're now 14,000 square feet, service and all departments together on one new right-sized facility for Pioneer.
I have to say, I love the colors. You've got it's a real shot in the arm. The colors on the wall, the carpet, the white stations. It's pretty different than the, if I can say so, cavernous building that you came from.
Well, I guess that's a fair point, John. If we're guilty of anything, it's maybe living in the same gray color scheme that we did for the last 20 years on the Allstate, and we saw it as an opportunity to brighten up and refresh and introduce some color to an otherwise monotone kind of environment. We've gotten the staff all new workstations and offices and all new furniture throughout the building. So it's kind of a fresh start, and sometimes they say a change is always good the more you change, and we feel that we've accomplished that here in many ways.
Well, you've taken on a new building, so that tends to suggest that Pioneer is going to be investing in the Canadian market for some time. Perhaps you could tell us how's Pioneer doing?
Well, we are here for a long time in this building, and it's not cheap. It is more affordable to us compared to our palace on Allstate, but we've done remarkably well this year. In fact, whether it is home electronics or car electronics or our total business, for our fiscal year ending later this week, we've reached over 100% of our sales budget with profitability at the operating level, as we tend to do most years. But now, we have an opportunity to start fresh next year's budget with an all-new environment and a new motivation to enjoy a different working lifestyle in this new office that we built.
Can you give us a bit of a hint for the next calendar year, some of the products that will be coming down the pipe? What are you excited about?
Well, first of all, we hope to be selling more of everything. That is the preferred trend amongst Japanese companies. Having said that, there's not just more, but there is new. More products, if you will, in the category of our elite receiver lineup. We'll be adding products. We'll also be looking at our iPod dock lineup and expanding that with new models and more models this season, including models that feature AirPlay, which everyone is getting very excited about. In fact, our VSX 1021 receiver, which we'll be shipping this week, is, we believe, the first receiver to hit the Canadian market with AirPlay built in, ready to go, not requiring any firmware upgrade. So we're excited about its prospects as well. New categories on the horizon also include micro systems with iPod docks and CDs in a more traditional type of format that Pioneer hasn't been in before. And our car electronics lineup will continue to expand with some new and different SKUs to arrive later this summer.
So lots to look forward to.
I hope so. It's all good.
Thanks very much, Bruce.